All right, Henry McClure live back here on the Blackburn property. So this is part of a 192-acre family farm that his grandfather purchased. Okay, so look, we're gonna keep this crop as part of the main property, and so we're gonna gerrymander the lot. So this would be like the north line, and then the north line would jog up this tree line. And we're working on cleaning up this pond. You know, actually this pond has gotten a little better just since we getting it some sunlight. It was just so overgrown. Shouldn't really let trees grow on dams, but now the logs will not go with the sail. And then this thing, the property then jogs back along the frontage. You got a lot of frontage on this sail. See, if you look back, there's that high sign where I commented in another video, we like to keep our signs up and out of the way. So if I'm building this thing, I'm putting my driveway somewhere over here, and I'm building over there. Because I'm the kind of guy that wants to walk outside naked and nobody can see me. That's kind of, you know, get back to nature. Mother Nature, baby. All right, so let's just take another loop around. So again, all the logs. You might be getting a pretty good lay of this land. I was driving like this the other day on TikTok, and they took the video down. Let's see here. Can you get back in there? It drops off significantly over here. I can't remember if I've been down this road or not. Well, we'll find out real quickly. I think this is where I've got a well in my house that a real well that we relocated from over here. Oh yeah, I've been down here. I want to go up that way. It must be safe. Blackie mowed it, right? At least for a little while. I don't know about that. Maybe this is just naturally smooth. But we got this vehicle right here for the very purpose of exploring. Yeah, that mirror's gonna get jacked around a little. All right, let's see here. It's kind of hard to drive with the camera in one hand. And I can't really see that. Let's turn this thing around. When I get this thing straightened out, we'll take a little walk. Well, when I'm pretty sure this pops out into a clearing. Yeah, see that? I can see that crop on that side of it. Oh man, I could drive up here. Something made a movement in that sludge. I've been walking a lot for my campaign, going door to door. Did you know I'm running for county commissioner? Man, you could get really, if you wanted to be really off the beaten path, build something in the thicket. What I'd do is I'd build like an off the grid place. Well, I really need to get Blackie out here on the gator, and we'll drive around and get a better lay of the land. Maybe even create some landmarks and put some pins out. I'm going back and getting the truck. All right, we'll catch up with you.